English 1.4 story time Yash and Moti. Students, today we are going to read and understand this lesson. Before beginning, I would like to tell you that I have read this lesson. Have you read it? I know you cannot reply to this video, but while listening to my voice, you can reply to yourself. Yes or no. Shall I say some are saying yes? Some are saying no? Some are just looking at my video. No expression. Anyways, let's begin. First paragraph. Listen and repeat. Yash was happy. His mother bought him new shoes. He woke up early in the morning. He went out to look at his new shoes. Oh no, he cried. There is only one shoe here. Where is my other shoe? He looked everywhere. Explanation. Once there was a boy named Yash. One day his mother bought him a new pair of shoes. He was very happy. That night he went to sleep early. Next day he woke up soon and went outside his house to wear the new shoes. When he came outside, there was only one shoe there. The other one was missing. He looked everywhere. He was very sad and he started crying loudly. Students, I hope this much is clear to you. Next paragraph. He couldn't find it. He sat outside on a step and sobbed. Just then Moti came and started wagging his tail. He barked. Wow, wow. Yash looked at Moti. Moti, have you seen my shoe? Explanation. So, Yash couldn't find his shoe. He sat outside on the doorstep. He started sobbing. Here, sobbing means crying loudly. As we know, Yash had a pet dog, Moti. He came towards Yash and started wagging his tail. Wagging means to move an animal's tail to and fro. Moti barked at Yash. Bow wow! Yash cryingly asked Moti, Moti, have you seen my shoe? Students, I hope this much is clear to you. Next paragraph. Bow wow! Moti barked and ran to a tree in the front yard. Yash followed Moti. There was a hole under the tree. Yash saw his shoe in the hole. A big fat rat had carried it there. Yash picked it up. Explanation. So, Moti barked and took Yash to a nearby tree in the front yard. Front yard means a place or a piece of land in front of the house. Now, what did Yash see? Yash saw a hole under the tree. He was surprised. Can you tell me why was he surprised? Look into the picture. He was surprised because he saw his shoe in the hole under the tree. Who carried it there? Any idea? Yes, a big fat rat. Yash was happy. Yash felt relief. He picked his shoe and went home with his dog. I hope this much is clear to you, students. Last paragraph. Thank God, he said. The rat has not nibbled my shoe. It is in good condition. Wow, wow. Moti agreed. Thank you, Moti, said Yash. Explanation. Finally, after reaching home, Yash is thanking God for getting back his new shoe as it was in the same condition. Here is a word nibbled. Nibbled means to cut off with teeth or with sharp teeth. Along with that, Yash is thanking Moti, his pet dog too, because without Moti, he wouldn't have found his new shoe. Students, here I have a question for you. I would like to know, if your shoe is taken away by the rat and you have got it back, will you wear it? Or you will demand a new pair of shoe from your parents? I hope this chapter is clear to you. Thank you.